Okay, Libra, this is your October month energy of your partner reading. This is a general reading, so it might not resonate. And, your partner's energy, the cards chose themselves. I haven't chosen them, so I have to take them. We have also a new addition to my tarot card. This is the archetype tarot, which will reflect the energy of your partner and the personality that they have right now, whatever is on their mind. So we have the animal, the lover, and the kiss. Beautiful energy, Libra, beautiful. Okay, so what is happening here, Libra, is first of all the signs. We have fire signs, we have earth signs, we have a strong energy of Pisces and Scorpio, Aquarius here. And what is happening right now is I don't know why all the readings are coming like this, like everybody was in a third party situation or something like that. But your reading says that your person is very heartbroken, and they were now this might not only relate to a relationship that they had been through a bad relationship, but this might also mean that they had a certain expectations from a certain situation. It could be it could either be work or love, and it didn't happen accordingly, and that is why they are heartbroken, and somebody deceived their trust. So they crossed the boundaries, they deceived them, and because of that they are right now in their animal instinct, and they are very they are in their raw form right now. But then we have the lovers and the kiss. These are the beautiful energies, which shows that though your person is devoid of emotion right now, but deep down they are looking for something emotional and something spiritual, very strong energy. And the kiss shows that they are looking for something more than just physical thing. So your partner is right now looking for someone who can heal their broken heart. This is what they are looking for. And we have the lover energy, so they are looking for a very spiritual connection, very emotional connection. They are looking for a relationship where they can they can just shut their animal down and come out and feel free and liberated and calm, and they want to trust people and things back again. But they are incapable of doing it right now because of the past that they had. So what they are looking for right now is emotional and spiritual connection. And if you are looking for a clarity, like why your person is not responding in the manner you want them to respond, then understand this thing, that they are going through a phase. And that doesn't mean that they are a bad person. They deep down they want something substantial, they want something emotional. And you have to be patient and kind towards them in order to let them know that they can put the guard down in front of you. Okay.